All came? Will you turn on your videos, all of you? Okay, children. So children, we were discussing about the equation and expression. Okay. So let me give the examples. So one expression I'll write. This is an expression. And other side, I'll write equation. Equation. Okay. First one expression is 2n. Okay. What is the, how can you recognize one equation, children? How can you recognize one equation? What is the speciality of an equation?
Equal to sign.
Yes, yes. There will be an equal sign and there will be LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side of the equal sign, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for an expression, if I give value for n equal to 1, the expression will become 2 into 1 equal to 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I give n equal to 2, what is the value of the expression? What is the value of the expression, children? If I give n equal to 2, tell, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what is value of 2n?
4.
4. 2 into 2 equal to
4.
4. Yes. If I give n equal to 3, expression's value?
6.
6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. If I give n equal to 4, what is the value of the expression? Tell the answer, children, fast.
8.
8. 2 into 4 equal to 8. So, an expression, in an expression, if we give different values for n, according to the value we give, the expression's value also changes. Isn't it, children? According to the value of the n, according to the value of the variable we give, the value of the total value of the expression will change. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And look at here, 2n equal to 10. This is, what is that? Is it an expression or an equation?
Equation.
Equation.
Question.
Equation. Okay. So, Ashishuni. So, 2n equal to 10. Okay, 2n equal to 10. Here, you have to think like this. Which value, if you multiply with 2, you will get the answer 10. Which
Ma'am,
number, when you multiply, 2n means 2 into n, 2 into n equal to 10. What did you understand from this? Which value,
Ma'am,
which number, yes, which number, if you multiply with 2, you will get the answer 10. Which is that number?
5.
5. Okay. So, n is 5. Only one value for the variable. We will get only one value for the variable, isn't it? Only one value satisfies. Okay. But in the case of expression, what happened? According to the value we give, we will get expressions, different values. Total value. Isn't it? Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll give one more expression. N
Ma'am, you
plus
write this.
2. N plus 2. This is an expression. What is this? It is an expression or an equation?
Expression.
Expression. Expression. It is an expression. So, if I give n equal to 1, what will happens to this expression? What is the value?
3.
3. So, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Yes. If I give n equal to 2, what is the expression's total value?
4.
2 plus 2 equal to 4. If I give 5, n equal to 5,
7.
7. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So according to n's value, variable's value, we will get different values for the expression. Isn't it? But in the other case, if I write n plus 2 equal to 5, is this an expression or an equation?
Equation.
Equation. How did you
Equation.
understand?
There is equal to
Equal sign, then
and RHS.
LHS and
LHS and
RHS. Okay, good, very good. Now what is the value of n here? Here you have to think like this. One number, if you add to 2, if you add to 2, you will get 5. Which is that number? 3. So n is only 3. 3 is the value because 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So only one value we will get for n. That value is n equal to 3. There is one and only one value. If you solve an equation or if you find the value of the variable for an equation, we will get only one value, a unique value for an equation variable. Clear? One and only one value. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the question. 1 minute, I'll show the, okay. Now, here can you see this? What is the equation here? 2n equal to 10. Okay, children. Can you see a table here? Can you see a table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here, n equal to 2n equal to 10 is our 2n equal to 10 is our equation. And first in this table, first column, there are n's different values. N equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2n also different values we got. Which is the correct value? When will you get 2n equal to 10? When n equal to 2, we will find out. 2n equal to 10 is our equation. First we will check n equal to 2. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Will the condition satisfy? Will the condition satisfy, children? Which is the correct value here? Here it is 2n equal to 10. 2n equal to 10, which is the correct value? Here, is it 2? Is it 4? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, children? See, children, n 2n equal to 10. In this, which value is our 2n equal to 10? In this, which value is our correct value?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5.
5, yes. Here, this is not correct. This is not correct. N equal to 3 does not satisfy. N equal to 4, we will get 8. So n equal to 5, we will get 10. So that is yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. So here, condition satisfied. Yes or no? We have many values, but our equation is 2n equal to 10 only. Okay, all this is for an expression. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. That is also okay. But our value is, our condition will satisfy for only one value. That is 5 and 10. N equal to 5. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Clear? Okay. So
Yes,
2n equal to 10. 2n equal to 10. Which number, when you give, you will get, when you give for n, you will get 10. 2 into 5 only.
5.
So that is our equation's answer. When you solve that variable's answer is 2n equal to 10. That equation's answer is 5.
5.
Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then again, I'll give one more equation. X minus 3 equal to 11, x minus 3 equal to 11. We can give many values if it is an expression. If it is an expression, we can give many values to x. Isn't it? Isn't it? But if the answer is 11, what is the correct answer? One number, if you subtract 3, you will get 11. What is the answer? One number, if you subtract 3, you will get 11. Which is that number?
14.
14, correct. So what is the value of x here? 14. There are lot of methods to solve. There is solving, lot of methods are there, but we are not coming to that solving. Just look at the equation and find out the answer. Only that. You think and find out. Okay. Solving you will study in next year. It is just an introduction to for the variables and answers. Okay, children. So this is the answer, x equal to 14. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, we have one exercise here. First one is, okay, here x plus 20 equal to 70. Which is the variable here? Children,
X.
which is the variable here?
X.
X is the variable, okay. And variable is x. Now, 8 into 3 equal to 24. Is there any variable here?
No.
No, there is no variable. So, it is known as a numerical equation. Okay, children, 8 into 3 equal to 24. It is an equation, but it is known as a numerical equation, only numbers. Okay, only numbers.
Okay.
Now, 2p greater than 30. Is this an equation?
No.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, there is
There is no equal sign.
equal
It is
to
not an equation. Isn't it? It is not an equation.
Yes,
Now, I'll write the next one. N minus 4 equal to 100. Is this an equation?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is the variable here?
N.
N. Correct. So, it is an equation. See, D. Can you see that? D. It is an
Yes, ma'am.
equation. It is an equation. And the variable is N. Okay. Again,
Okay, ma'am.
20b equal to 80. Is this an equation?
Yes.
What is the variable here?
B.
B. Correct. Now, again, y by 8 less than 50.
No, it is not. No, ma'am.
No, it is not an equation. Okay. It is not an equation. There is another name for this. It is not an equation. Even though there is variable and numbers, there is no equal sign. It is less than. You know that sign, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Okay. Again. Now, I'll show the next table for you. Okay. Okay, children. Can you see there some equations? Okay. This one. This one. X plus 10 equal to 30. Is this an equation? Is this
Yes,
an
ma'am.
equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
What is the variable here?
X.
X. Second one. P minus 3 equal to 7. Is it an equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, that is also an equation. Yes. Next one. 3. What is the variable there? P minus 3 equal to 7. P is the variable. Correct. Again, 3n equal to 21. Is this an equation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the variable here?
N.
N. Correct. Again, t by 5 equal to 4.
Oh,
Is it an equation? Is this an equation? Yes. What is the variable?
T.
Yes. Next, 2l plus 3 equal to 7. What is the variable here?
L.
Next, 2m minus 3 equal to 5. What is the variable?
M.
M. Okay. Now,
Okay.
we'll move to the solution. Solution means finding the value of the variable is known as solution solving. If you are finding the value of the variable, it is known as solution. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now, x plus 10 equal to 30. Value of the variable solution, yes or no? Okay, we'll find out. Find out this. 1 minute, I'll move this.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
1 minute. This is known as trial and error method. Okay. Trial and error method. Trial and error method. That means we will try many values, but one value only correct. Okay, children. Now, this is x plus 10 equal to 30. X plus 10 equal to 30. Here, if we substitute this value, x equal to 10 here, will you get 30?
No, ma'am.
No. X plus 10 equal to 30 means when you add 10, to a number, you will get 30. You understood which value is that?
Yes.
Here, lot of values is given. Is it x equal to 10?
No, ma'am.
No, we
ma'am.
won't get the answer. So if you substitute 10 here, you will get another one. We will not get 30. Okay. Now, is it x equal to 30?
No, ma'am.
No. That is also no. But is it x equal to 20?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you give x equal to 20, we will get the total value of the equation as 30. So is it satisfied, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So that is our answer. Yes, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will move to the fourth one. P minus 3 equal to 7. P minus 3 equal to 7. That is, when you subtract 3 from a number, you will get 7. You understood which number is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So P minus 3 equal to 7. P equal to 5.
No, ma'am.
No, it is not that. Now P minus 3 equal to 7. Again the same one, but P equal to 15. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No. Now P minus 3 equal to 7 and P equal to 10. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that the equation satisfies. Okay. Again, 3n equal to 21. When you multiply n with 3, you will get 21. Is it 9?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Again, 3n equal to 21. Is it 7?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is our answer. Yes. Okay. Here x equal to 20 and here p equal to 10 and here n equal to 7. Correct. 3 values. Now, t by 5 equal to 4. That means a number when you divide by 5, you will get 4. You understood that? Which number is that?
Yes, ma'am.
When you divide with 5, you will get 4. Yes. When you divide one number with 5, you will get 4. Is it 25?
No, ma'am.
No, because when you substitute 25 here, 25 by 5 is 4.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So that is not our equation's answer. Okay. Now, t equal to 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is our correct answer. Okay. Again, 2l plus 3 equal to 7. That is some complicated one. If you substitute y there, 5 there as L, 2l means if L equal to 5, what will happen? 2L, 2 into 5.
2 into 5.
What is 2 into 5? 10.
10.
And plus
10.
3. Is it 7? Is it
No,
7?
ma'am. Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Again, L equal to 1, we will check. 2L, L equal to 1. Okay, L equal to 1. 2L, 2 into 1. 2. Plus again,
2.
you have to add 3. Is it
It's 5.
7?
No, ma'am.
Yes. No.
No, ma'am.
No, that is also not our answer. Again, we'll move to the last one. 2L, L equal to 2. So 2L means 2 into
2 into
2.
2.
4.
2 into 2. 4.
Plus 3.
7. 7.
7. Is it correct one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that is our answer. So this is known as trial and error method. What we did? We tried and find out the answer. Error in it. Isn't it? What is the meaning of trial and error method? Trial and error method. We tried many values
tried.
and we found out the error in it. Error. Mistakes. Clear? And we found the correct
Yes,
value.
ma'am.
It is known as trial and error method. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, 1 minute. We did not write any heading of this, right? You have to write this table. You can write this solution of an equation. Solution of an equation. Solution of an equation. Write the heading only, solution of an equation. Solution means find the value. Finding the value is known as solution.
Ma'am, we have to copy the table.
Solution of an equation, did you write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What to write?
Ma'am, only the heading, right?
Only the heading. Wait. Okay. Under that, you have to write this. The value of the, which I am underlining now, only that, the bold letters. The value of the variable in an equation. Can you see the bold letters?
Yes.
The value of the variable in an equation which satisfies the equation is called a solution of the equation. That means the value of the variable which satisfies. Only one value will be there. Only one value. The value of the variable in an equation. Did you understand that? Which satisfies the equation. Only one value will satisfy. Okay. Only one value will satisfy. Example, I'll write. Example. Equation is, you can write. Equation is, after that you can write. Equation is 2n equal to 5. N equal to 6 is not a solution. But n equal to 5 is the solution. That is the example.
Ma'am, is it 2n equals 10 or is it 5? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, is it 2n equals 10 or it is 5?
Oh, you 1 minute. 2n equal to 10. I always write this. 2n equal to 10. 2n equal to 10. Okay, 2n equal to 10 only. Okay. I always write that 5 there.
I'm finished. Right.
Did you write example?
Yes, ma'am.
If you write example, you can write this. You give again the heading trial and error method. It is not here itself, it is given that. Here, can you see your textbook fully? I am making you to read. Okay, children? Even each and every word is important in this text, in this chapter. So it is a trial and error method. It is not a direct and practical way. Did you see that? It is not a direct and practical way. It is not a direct method. It is not a direct and practical method because always you have to think and find. There is an easy method to find the answer. I'll tell you. N plus 3 equal to 2. Sorry, 5. N equal to, if it is plus, you have to subtract it. Clear? Clear, children? If it is plus, you have to subtract. Actually, it is balancing an equation. There is lot of ways to solving an equation. It is not a direct and practical way. Here, this one introduced to make you understand what is the actual real solution. Okay, trial and error method is not a direct method. If I'm taking you for next year, I don't know, I'll teach it properly. All the methods. Okay, children? So next year only we have to solve all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it
Now
is
we
an
have to
introduction
write
of
the big box.
algebra. Okay,
Ma'am, we
children?
have the big box.
Yes.
We
Yes.
have to write that box.
Yes. You have to write the heading, trial and error method. And draw the box and write the answers. 3 columns. What is the heading, children? What is the heading?
Trial and error method.
Yes. Twelve 15.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions 3 times, like same in the.
Yeah. You write that. You have to write till 13. See, children, will you write it? It's there in your textbook. Will you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the page number? Can you see the page number? 239. Page number 239. Do you have your textbook with you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you write and come for tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Because there is no time. Teacher is waiting here.
Today we have remedial
Yes?
And today we have
class.
Yes? Today?
We have
1 minute.
remedial class.
No. Children, today there is no remedial class. Today there is no remedial class. I won't be there evening. I have to go somewhere. And it will be tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll send the message. Today's remedial classes will be tomorrow. Okay, this is page number 239. Yes,
Okay,
children?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
239. The same table. Actually, this is your textbook. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, tomorrow we will explain again the homeworks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.